This question tells us that the original price of a bicycle is $182. And it asks, if the bicycle is marked down 20%, what is the new price? We're going to use a proportion table to help us set up this problem and see how to solve it. On the rows, we're going to label them on the side, part and whole. And at the top, we're going to be labeling the first column percent and the second one number, or in this case, dollars, because that's what we're talking about here is the price of a bicycle. 20%. 20 is the part of a percent. The whole of a percent is 100%. And we know that the whole price of the bicycle is $182. We want to find out what 20% of that is, and that's the unknown. That's the unknown part. Now, we can also, before we solve this and set up the proportion, we can simplify the percent a little bit. 20 over 100 can be simplified by dividing each side by 10, and that gives us 2/10. That'll make it just a little easier to solve. Now we can set up the proportion. 2/10 equals x over 182. And to solve this, we're going to cross multiply. So 2 times 182, and then we'll divide it by 10. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 8 is 16. And 2 times 2 plus 1 is 3, 364. Now we're going to divide that by 10. Now, we can go ahead and set up 364 divided by 10 and use the long division method like this. 3 goes into 36. 3 times 30. Bring down 4. And that goes in 6 times. 6 times 10 is 60. Subtract 4. Bring down 0. And that goes in 4 times. And to prove it like this, we can go ahead and use this long division method and see that 364 divided by 10 is 36 4/10. But if you notice, there's an easier way to do this. What we've done with 364 and turning it into 36 4/10 is we've moved the decimal over one place to the left. So 364 is the same thing as 36 4/10 with the decimal moved over one place to the left. So you don't have to go through this long process of long division. You can if you want to. It'll work. But you can also remember that with our base 10 system of numbers, if we're dividing by 10, we move the decimal one place to the left, and that will give us the same answer as the long division method. So here we have 36 4/10, or $36.40. That is the discounted price. That's how much 20% off the bicycle is. But this question asks, what is the new price of the bike? Not what the discount is. So to find that, we have to go through the final step. The original price of the bike is $182. From that, we subtract $36.40. To solve this, we need to do some regrouping. Go ahead and do that. We go through the process and solve it, and we can see that our answer is $145.60. Don't forget this final step over here. Read the questions carefully and see what they're asking. If the question asked, what is the discount, then the answer would have been $36.40. In this case, it asks, what is the new price when the bicycle is discounted by 20%? So we need to go through the final step and subtract the discount from the original price. Once you've had a chance to look through this problem, maybe watch this video a couple of times, go ahead and try the practice problem that is grouped with this problem on the homework quiz for this week.